Right, TV's all back together. Your power board, new cap's connected up. I'm still worried I'm not going to get that cover on. I'm just going to have to wedge it on, I think. But, I just want to show you guys something. Now this is the first time we've powered this up. We're powering it up live. Don't know what it's going to do. Lights gone off. Ooh, what's happening? What's happening? Did it come on? Did it come on? Did it come on? Oh, check this out, guys. Check this out, gents. Hey! And it just goes to show you. You get one of these TVs and it's broken, don't throw it out, because that thing cost me, no word of a lie, that has cost me a £5 to fix. And I got it for nothing. And the next time you see this TV, it'll be up in me bloody bedroom playing Doctor Who the night, alright? See you later, chaps.